Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox multiple game instances. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running more than one instance of Roblox simultaneously. You'll need at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor to avoid performance issues. Close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources before starting any game instances. There are primarily two common methods to achieve multiple instances. One involves using a third-party multi-instance launcher, which often automates the process for you. The other method requires manually launching Roblox multiple times, sometimes by creating separate user profiles or using specific command line arguments. Always download any tools from trusted sources to maintain your system's security and prevent unwanted software. To begin, open your chosen multi-instance tool or prepare your manual launch method. For manual launches, you might open the Roblox player, join a game, and then quickly open another instance before the first fully loads, or use a separate browser for each launch. Ensure each instance is logged into a different account if you intend to play with multiple characters, allowing for distinct gameplay experiences. Running multiple instances offers benefits like playing with friends on different accounts or managing multiple game activities simultaneously. However, be mindful of your computer's performance. Running 3 or 4 instances can significantly strain your CPU and RAM. Always monitor your system's resource usage to prevent crashes or slowdowns, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience across all your active Roblox games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.